Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from Police Insider. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. What starts as officers tracking down a reported stolen Mazda quickly turns into a fast-moving pursuit when the driver refuses to stop. As the chase pushes through residential streets at dangerous speeds, deputies are forced to make split-second decisions while trying to keep the public safe. The breakdown starts now.
Alright, you just turn around northbound. From 41st place.
A pit maneuver is one of the tactics officers may use to bring a pursuit to an end when they believe allowing it to continue could create a greater risk to the public.
3,000 block, you just hit it. Stay by. Switching OP. 29 floor, they're trying to hit again. Unsuccessful. Pulling near yard, 3,000 block. Outside of the road.
Moments like this can quickly change the risk level of a pursuit. When a driver starts forcing their way through barriers, officers have to reassess how far that person may be willing to go to avoid being stopped.
I'm turning south on, I think this is 46th Avenue, maybe? That's okay, Cal. Do we have the ability to switch channel? 1031.7. Everybody else goes channel 2.
Despite everything that's happened so far, officers are staying with the vehicle because losing sight of it could create a whole new set of challenges. Their focus now is balancing public safety while keeping track of the suspect's movements.
Let me know if you go north. I'm on 44th Avenue, 46th Street. South.
Once a pursuit leaves the vehicle and moves on to foot, the dynamics change completely. And with a K-9 team already on scene, officers have another tool available to help locate and track someone who doesn't want to be found.
What's your call? I was just trying to make you aware of the
Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! Let go of the dog! Let go of the dog! Let go of the dog! Let go! Help, please! Please! Help, please! Please! Get this hand. Get this hand. Let go of the dog! He's got my finger! Please go!
After a 21-minute pursuit and a K-9-assisted apprehension that appears to have left him with a bite injury, deputies can finally shift their focus from the chase to figuring out exactly who they've been dealing with. And before the search even begins, Dale makes a comment that gives officers an early clue.
I might be a needle in my pocket.
Clear, slow anybody else down.
What pocket?
I don't know.
You don't know? Roll to that side.
I don't know, there's traffic stop.
Tuck that leg. We're going to roll up to that knee. Stand up and put this stuff on that. Gotcha.
The pursuit ultimately came to an end after deputies tracked Dale down following a vehicle chase and brief foot pursuit. After receiving medical treatment, he was transported to the Marion County Jail, where authorities filed multiple charges related to the incident, including vehicle theft, fleeing and eluding, leaving the scene of several property damage crashes, and driving with a suspended license. Situations like this show how quickly a single decision to avoid a traffic stop can escalate into a much larger public safety concern. As the pursuit continued, officers were forced to balance the need to apprehend the driver while minimizing risks to everyone else on the road. According to reports, Dale later died in an unrelated traffic incident 3 years after this pursuit. How do you think deputies handled this situation? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up this breakdown. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Bodycam Breakdown TV, and share this with someone who enjoys real-world police footage and analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.